Alright, y'all don't judge me because I'm not upgraded yet. I'm still on iPhone 7. This is my favorite place to go to. Lunch for 2 or more, dinner for 2 or more, sold out. Let me just go ahead and buy this because it's still in hella quick. Yes, wait a minute. I get a discount. Definitely get Groupon Select. It's awesome. You get 25% off from it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and place my order. See, I know my phone is cracked. Y'all don't judge me, please. Trust me, it's not the babies. It's all the way me. I accept that. Oh yes, yes. My phone is cracked down. Yes, you had your cereal already. Continue shopping. No, thank you. Let's go. Hi, you guys. Welcome to Unpolished Melanin Roots. So, we're here at our favorite place. We're gonna eat some nice, authentic pho. What I got for us was grilled beef pho, and it's so delicious. So I got a bowl for the babies because we're gonna go ahead and do this right. We're gonna get this right. It's gonna be so delicious. We're gonna have so much fun. I am so excited. She's very excited. He's excited because he loves this stuff. Plus, he got a runny nose, so we're gonna go ahead and make him feel better. So while I get ahead and prepare the meals. Wait, Papa. Yum. Don't touch. Jalapeno. Just put that in there. We're gonna put everything else in here. This is a garnish. Eat that. Here, eat. You're welcome. Do not touch anything. You don't touch anything either. Sprinkle that in. Gotta rip it up. See, I'm doing this with one hand. Y'all don't judge me. I mean, it's okay to judge me, I guess. Sprinkle it in, all fresh ingredients. Finish, put this in. Squeeze the rest of the lime. Squeeze it in. Squeeze it in their bowl. This will be my spoon. And these are their dish. Go ahead and put beef broth in here. Onyx, don't put your hands in here, please. Just sit down. Some beef. Stop it, Papa. Yeah, it's nice. Onyx, don't touch it. Go ahead and feed him right now. Good grief. All you do is scream. This will be hers. She don't really like the vegetables, but she likes the flavor. The herbs. You're welcome. I love ground chili paste. It's spicy. Onyx. You okay? Sprinkle a little in herbs. Put that in there.
I like it.
Good. I'm glad you like it. Onyx, wait. Good Lord. Wait a minute. So this is definitely gonna help him with his cold. Beef broth is really good. Really, really good for your cold. I didn't get to eat any, so I'm gonna eat some. So light, so crispy, very flavorful. Tastes like shrimp. Now time for the fowl. I got grilled beef fowl. Eat with the chopsticks, drink.
Take this. Take this. Take this. Take that. Like that.
There you go. That's how you eat it. What's wrong? All right, here. Have some meat. He loves his meat. He has to have his meat. Like, have to, or he'll beat me up. Okay. Get some veggies in there. Got the meat. So good. Everything is like well mixed in together. The beef broth is awesome. It's nice and settled. Stop, Onyx. You have food in your mouth already. Stop that. Now put some beef. Grilled to perfection. Very flavorful, chewy. Want some more noodles? Wait, Onyx. Wait, boy. Here. You're welcome. So what I do is, I hate these chopsticks because they're so, they're not authentic. They're just for take home and show off. Take the noodle, get my soup. Strip it down.
I like it.
Good. If you're losing weight and you're hungry, go to the nearest Spal. It's really good.
That's nice.
You like it?
You finished?
No, you're not finished either. Drink it up. Telling you, it has all your healthy herbs. You got your bean sprouts, you got your basil, cilantro. I don't really like the noodles. No more papa. So, instead of drinking chicken noodle soup, I drink this. Eat, okay? Beef broth work just as well. I know I should be talking, but this food tastes so good. Stop pushing me. You have food in your mouth. Stop it. No. Can't believe I'm doing this right before work. Gotta go ahead, make some money tonight, take care of both of them. I'm thinking of going to California for vacation. I already been to California twice before they were even thought of. I went to San Diego. I'm lying. I already been to Los Angeles. I went to San Francisco, Santa Monica, St. Venice. Yes, I love Cali. I love California. Like, that place is legit lit. Hey. All right, you want some more beef? Here. No? Okay. I don't know what his motives were. Almost finished. It's so good. Onyx, stop it. Drink the soup. So, I'm gonna save the rest for him. He didn't really eat much like he used to. Let's see if he'll drink one more. Alex, stop that. So ready for dessert. Stop it. Stop doing that. No. One more. All right. Last one. Hey. You're almost there. Finish up so I can take it out of bed. I'm tired. Her nice container. See all this goodness. Yeah, my goodness. Okay, so I suck at this, as y'all can see. And this is for baby Emperor. Don't flip it. No, it's finished. No. You'll be fine. Don't eat that. then hold it and don't throw it on the floor. So you guys need to clean up after y'all eat. I was a server, and when I tell you people are so messy and so disgusting, like, no. That's a no-no in my book. Always clean up after you eat. It's much appreciated. Trust me. I don't want to hear, oh, that's the server's job. No, 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 no. Stop being nasty and clean up after yourself. Stop it. Okay? Stop it. Don't do it. So, let me just eat this while I wait for the dessert. Finished? So it's good, right?
Yeah.
This is better than Pringles or Quakers. Way better. So light. You like it? So tasty. Yeah, don't make a mess. Mommy, just clean up. Lights and delicious. Could be sexy with it. Casual. Noisy. Or just plain silly. Like, oh my gosh, you're making me blush. Oh, my cheek is so cute. Ha 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 ha.
I like this one.
You can fan yourself?
Mommy, this?
Yes, just like that. What else can you do? I am Batman. Wait, no, that's not how it says. Ha 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 ha. Meh. Meh. Ha 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 ha. Handsome.
Just like that.
Just like that.
Okay.
Just like that. It's done. Are you gonna nibble?
Yeah, I do. Hello?
Hi, how are you?
That's Zadie.
Yeah, it's Marley.
Yes.
Hi Marley, how are you?
Hi. Say the half.
Huh?
I say the half, Bobby.
What? You're breaking up. Shh, shh, I can't hear you. Shh.
Okay. Hello? Hello?
You ready for dessert?
Yay.
Yay, dessert.
I have puppy.
What?
I have puppy.
We don't have a puppy.
Bobby.
That's weird. That's a weird thing for her to say.
Yes.
Yeah, you're weird. Thank you for admitting that you're weird.
What's that? What's that? That's the brothers.
That's your brothers. Alright.
That's the brothers. I'm gonna think about it.
You want water or no?
I want water.
You sure?
Yes.
Are you positive?
Yes. How's that?
Here, drink your water.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I don't care. I put my mouth on the glass. Yes, I know it goes behind closed doors. Plus, y'all be putting your mouth on some nasty other stuff. Cucumbers challenge. I say it's best to have water with the fowl just because you're able to cleanse your palate even more. And you can get ready for the next food, dessert. My gyro is the, will you stop doing that? My gyro is the dessert. Thank you. Look at this mess. Messy. Messy, messy, messy. Yes. We gotta clean up. Always clean up after you eat. Yeah, I already cleaned that, okay?
Yay.
Yay.
Take the blanket up. Like this.
Like this.
Okay.
Come, you gotta come closer. Like this.
I can't do that.
You don't want to do it?
Yes.
Do this.
I
don't know which hand to use.
That's the
He's laughing at us. Or her.
Like this?
Like this.
Oh, like this again.
Alright, do this.
Okay.
Do that. You doing it, you doing it. I see you, girl. Okay, hey. Go like this.
Oh, I have my hair.
Hush. Go like this.
Like this?
There you go. If y'all old school, y'all know what that is. That's not chicken, that's beef.
Oh, this is beef.
Beef.
Oh, beef.
Give me this. You're driving me nuts with this thing right here.
You okay?
Stop it. Stop. Too much noise. Too much.
Too noise?
It's too much noise.
Oh, too much noise.
Too much noise.
Too much noise. Yes, I can't help. Mommy, when you hurt.
I'm not hurt.
Look.
I'm not hurt.
Your heart came
What are you
up.
doing?
Right
Marley,
there.
leave it, no? Just leave it. Thank you. No, sit up. Sit up. Sit up. Nuh-uh.
I can't do it.
I'm glad you're tired. Tell them. Tell them what you told me. Good. Stay up until you get this dessert. Before I have to hear you complaining. He's not tired.
Oh, sorry. Yes. I touched my pets. I didn't do that. I hurt my head. I'm better.
Papa? Meow?
Papa, you okay,
Meow.
Papa?
Alright. Enough. That's too loud. I'm famous.
Mommy, I have.
Alright, let's take a selfie. Come on.
Wait,
Hey.
I want to get this of me.
Look
Mom,
at me
that's
doing the
you.
video. That's you too.
Yeah, that's you, Mommy.
We're doing a video.
That's me.
Alright, come. Selfie time.
Okay.
Onyx. Come, selfie time.
Okay.
Sit, Marty, turn around so we can take this picture. Onyx. Psst. Boy. Terrible. Terrible picture. That was really terrible. Alright, we're gonna try this again.
Okay.
Because taking a picture with you guys is a mess. Onyx. Marty, you're not even smiling. And Onyx, you have the same pose. Alright, let's do this again. Come on. Third one should be a charm. Psst, boy. Look no, Onyx. Come, smile. Smile now. Look. Onyx. Stop ignoring us. Oh, Jesus, that was terrible. I'm deleting that one. There's no mango ice cream.
It's okay, Mommy.
No, is that okay?
It's okay.
Alright, let's hurry up and take this selfie.
Okay.
Onyx, come, turn around. Marty, sit, please. Onyx. Both of y'all talking at the same time. Marty and Onyx. Onyx, Marty. Marty, Onyx. Okay, you're gonna get some. You have to wait. You stop talking to yourself. Okay, wait, Papa. Ice cream and beef. You have beef in your mouth. Ew. So, you need to learn how to wait. Onyx, stop. There you guys have it. Ice cream and fried wonton. Stop it, Onyx. Stop. Everybody gets a scoop. Nah. You're welcome. Coconut. Eat. You're welcome. Exactly. Stop it. All right. Dun 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 dun. That hit the nerve. Just eat it. I want the mango. Well, that was sour. Oh, it's mango. Huh.
Okay.
This wonton is so good. So good. Listen to it again, you guys.
You hurt my face here.
It's been so better with some mango ice cream. That coconut tastes good though. Oh, you got a baby brain freeze. Hush. I don't usually give them ice cream. But sure enough, when they eat sweets, they knock out. Telling you, it's the most glorious thing ever. Sorry, I had to daydream about it. How excited I am to get some rest before work. As you guys can see, my children don't cry, they scream. What are you doing? Hey, sir. No, stop crying for the ice cream if you're not gonna eat it. No.
Bedtime.
Want a break? I love water. Did he just? Nom, 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 nom. Why are you crying for it if you're not gonna eat it? Onyx. Onyx. Here. Try that.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Onyx, I don't know why you're crying, to be honest.
That's it.
How does it taste? I asked her how it tastes and she said tired.
No, I'm tired.
I'm going to give you another piece. Look at that veins. Look at that veins. Look at that veins. Look at that veins. Look at that. Wait. All right, finish eating. Dang, did I put a spoon in my mouth? I'm gonna get the baby sniffles. All right, so there you have it, you guys. We had the all right, so there you have it, you guys. We had our grilled beef fowl, and you get to see all the herbs put into it, and I add my little ground chili pepper to spice it up a bit to get rid of their mucus and stuff. It is so good, so healthy. If you're on a diet, you can definitely eat that. You're good to go. You still get all your nutrients in there. If you want to go ahead and get rid of your cold or any type of sinus problems or any type of congestion, definitely drink that. Just add some ground chili pepper to it. Sriracha hot sauce is really up to you, but it really helps. It's better than the chicken noodle soup. And to top it off, just treat yourself. Get yourself some dessert. Man, I don't know about you, but I love me some dessert. Dessert is the best way to go, the best way to end it, because you had a nice beginning and now you need a sweet finish. Hey, y'all like how I said that, right? Hey, go like this.
Oh,
This.
okay.
This. You did it before. Oh God, Marty, let me do it.
Okay.
Like that. Do it like that. Look, go like that. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and go bye-bye. Thank you for watching us, enjoying this beautiful moment. Are you pushing me away? I feel like you're trying to push me. Yeah, totally go out, get you some pho. It is so far. It's the best thing ever. Just go get you some, okay? You're not gonna regret it. I promise. If you're gonna regret it, comment down. Comment below and be like, I regret this dish. You're the worst. I'm gonna have to say peace out, y'all. Stay blessed and respect. We will catch y'all in the next video. Have fun.